Mathematicians who like to change the numbers in the equation to numbers that are easier to work with use the compensation strategy. Because these numbers are easier to work with, sometimes we call this the friendly number strategy. Let's take a look at this strategy in action using subtraction. What if we wanted to subtract 790 minus 282? First, I'm going to draw out my numbers so I can visualize what I'm doing. So 790 is my first bar, and then my second bar is going to be 282. The reason why I stack the two bars on top of each other for subtraction is because I'm trying to find the difference. I'm trying to find out how much bigger 790 is than 282. Now, because 790 is so close to a friendly number or a landmark number, I'm going to add 10 on to that to make it 800. And whatever I do with my larger number, I'm also going to do with my smaller number. That way, this portion doesn't change. So now my equation is a little bit more friendly. Now I have 800, and I'm going to subtract 292. I still want to be able to know the difference between them. So first, I'm going to add on 8 because that gets me up to 300. And then I just add on 500 more. So very quickly and easily in my head, I can see that the difference between 790 and 282 is 508.